How to add custom music or custom audio on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can use custom music on your Instagram Reels. So let us go to Instagram and then make sure that your Instagram account has been updated from Google Play Store. That is, I always recommend you. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button so that I'm going to show you that how you can add your um, custom music. Here you can see in audio, you won't find any like you can't have any option to put on your own music or dialects here. So you can see here there is no option for this. So what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you in this video the full tutorial of this tricks. So guys, first of all, what you need to do here in reels, you have to just click on this option. You can see here this option. This is a gallery option, video gallery. So whichever whichever dialect or song you want, you can just go to SnapTube or something application. Like I'm gonna show you, let me just go to SnapTube and then I will show you how you can do that. You can download it from Chrome browser or Google. This application SnapTube, it's very easy, and then also you can download it from anywhere. I recommend from anywhere. So here you can see, let me just select let me just show you one thing here. D Dialog okay. So here you can see I will show you by adding the dialogue of the TikTok. So here let me just uh mute the sound here. So here you can see guys, this is one TikTok. This will be the TikTok sound. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. I'm gonna show you. So guys, you have to select the sound, and then what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this download button here, and then here you have to download the video here. So let me show you by downloading the video. Keep in mind that you have to download the video only. So here you can see my these things has been downloading. So let us wait and see how we can do that, how we can add your music, how we can add your own music. So guys, here you can see my files already. My this video has been downloaded, you can see here. So now what you have to do, you have to select the files, like select the videos or dialect, and you have to download the video clip. Keep that in mind. So now let me go to Instagram, and then here you can see this is the reels option, reels features. So what you need to do here, you have to click on this gallery option I have shown you. So you have to click here. So simply tap here, and then here what you need to do, you have to select this video here. So let me just select this video here. This is the video, as I have to, mute the sound because of the copyright, you can see. So this is the one, so I have just lowered down the voice. So guys, what you need to do here, just click on upload option here, and then here it will take some few moments here. If you have any problem, please comment down below because it's a bit complicated. And also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So it will take meanwhile. So you can see here clip edit. So click on this option here on the right side, and then again you can just click on this option here. So here you can see this is the cover. So first of all, make sure that you have to share this video. So here you can see there will be an option. You can see here it's on the sharing process, so you have to wait until it gets shared. So let us wait. So guys, it's done. So let us go to this profile icon here. You can see my profile icon. So if we go to profile icon, here will be your post, your IGTV, and this is the option for reels. So here this is my reels. You can see here this is my reels. You can see here I will be lowering the sound because of the copyright. So this is the one. So guys, to take this if you want to make out this if you want to make the same dialect or song, if you want to customize, then you have to simply click on this option. You can see here this name option. So just you have to click on this Now here you can see use audio, so simply tap on use audio, and then here you can make your own video. So guys, I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button and like my video. See you soon.